All right, YouTube, I said I'd make a video putting this thing under load. We're just gonna put it under a small load today. I've got this blower fan. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in. It's good since it's a little hot out here in Florida. All right, so I've got it set to run. And we're gonna go ahead and just give it a crank. Okay, that's her running normal. And then I'll just give you the economy comparison real quick. That's under economy. Let's go ahead and plug the fan in. Okay, fan's in. Got the fan. All right, and let's go ahead and kick the fan on. I'm gonna put it on high, the fan. So let's see. Honestly, this fan is probably louder than the generator. Still on economy, so let me just take it off and see. Fan again on high. There you go. Generac IQ 3500. Power Rush technology. Something that Generac claims. And then here's all their claims against Honda. I had an EU 3000 IS Honda for this one. The only way to really tell how this one stacks up is just through use and the test of time. Honda obviously holds up, and I think that is the benchmark to compare. So maybe in a year or two, I'll go ahead and make another video review of this one. This one will be powering my RV. I've got a 34-foot travel trailer that it'll be powering. So it'll be putting in some work. All right, YouTube, I'll see ya.